Hi, I'm Lou and I just got this go-kart for my grandkids. The problem is it's way too big for them, so they have to ride it like this with the little one in front on the gas pedals and the other guy's driving. But their mom says, we're pulling the seat as far forward as we can, but their feet still don't reach. We made some wooden pedals and hinges. We'll drill holes for our hinges and we'll screw down our pedals. And there's our pedals. We connected the wooden pedals to the go-kart pedals with these threaded rods. These rods were a little thin and started bending, so we put these hard plastic tubes on there to keep them straight. And now they can reach them just fine. Now we need to slow down this torque converter. So we'll take apart this pulley. To make sure the go-kart stays slow, we're going to block these weights from going out inside the torque converter with some rubber tubing from an air compressor. This will keep these from pushing out and making the pulley bigger, which drives the whole thing faster. There's the other one in place, and we'll put the lid back on. Back together, and let's give it a try. So here we go with the modified torque converter at top speed of 10 miles per hour. And here's our first rider!